Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be discussing about the platform Tagbox, and this is the best social media UGC marketing app, so make sure to check it out till the end of this video so you do not miss a single step. Now if you want to access this site, you can head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial and exclusive rewards and benefits. Right now I have successfully registered an account and logged into my account, and you can see the first thing it is asking me is pick the platform that fits your needs. So I'm going to be selecting from for digital marketers or for event marketers. So let's just select digital marketers and wait for a couple of seconds. Now it will be directing us to the section or the dashboard, the main one. As you can see, it is loading up. Just give it a while and it will load up everything for you since you have selected an option. Alright, so it has now asked me a couple of questions related to my social media Instagram interests, and once I entered that, you can see it is now starting to give me ideas about. I have chosen photography in here, so if you are wondering why all of these pictures look so photogenic or stuff like that, then let me tell you that I have filtered it for photography on Instagram, so it is giving me all of these ideas and images. On the left side of our screen you can see the home page. If you head over to that, and from here you can simply add your social media feeds and what you want to see on your dashboard and customize it accordingly. You can also see the widget, social feeds and recent widgets. So if I head over to my menu again, from here head over to your widgets. Now you can create a new widget. So I have already created one. Now to create another, simply enter your widget name and your URL is generated. So let's just name it anything and click on create widget. So it is loading, just give it some time. Now we can select another social media network, and once you select it and add some basic question and details, again it is going to be showing you the feed like it was already displaying to me here, as you can see. So you can get ideas and different type of sources to collect, so you can get better social media output at your end. So really amazing tool. If you head over to analytics, so you will be able to see different type of analytics in here related to the social media resources you are using on this platform. You can see we have overview, we have post type and post network. Let me zoom in a bit so you can see much more clearly. Okay, so various other fields, a lot of them, for you can have a lot of control over to your social media. So yeah, I hope you like this platform. Make sure to head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial as well as benefits and rewards on this platform. So yeah, that wraps up our video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.